Assalamualaikum. Good morning, students. Today we will continue with your second lesson. You may refer to your students' book, page 5. The objective for today's lesson is students should be able to use the verb be correctly according to the subject pronouns. Before we go further, let's recall what is subject pronouns. Here are few examples that we're going to use for today's class. Let's take a look at the table. The first one is he. He refers to a male person. For example, Ali, Mutu, my uncle, the police. The second one is she. She refers to a female person. For example, Latifah, your mother, the nurse. The third one is it. It refers to one thing or one animal. For example, the cow, the tree, the shirt, book. Next one is they. They refers to two or more person, things, or animals. For example, Rosalie and Melly, dogs, chairs. Next is we. We refers to you and people around you. For example, Jeff and I, my brother and I. Okay, next is I and you. This is where we include the verb be. Either it's affirmative or it's negative. Affirmative here means when you agree to something, when you want to say yes to something, or you like something. Negative here means when you want to disagree with something, when you don't like something, or you want to say no to something. So, when the pronouns is he, she, and it, you have to use is in the affirmative form. He is, she is, it is. In the short form, he is will be his. She is will be she's. It is will be its. On the other hand, when the verb is in negative form, you have to use is not. He is not. She is not. It is not. Where in the short form, he is not will be he isn't. She is not will be she isn't. It is not will be it isn't. Same things goes when the pronouns is they or we or you. You have to use the verb be are when it is in the affirmative form. In the short form, they are will be there, we are will be where, you are will be your. On the other hand, if the verb be is in the negative form, they are not, we are not, you are not. In the short form, they are not, they aren't. We are not, we aren't. You are not, you aren't. If the pronoun is I, so the verb be affirmative will be am. So I am. In the short form, it will be I'm. On the other hand, where the verb be is in the negative form, I am not. And in the short form, it will be I'm not. Let's try this question. Look at the picture. They cycling. Do you agree that they are cycling? No, right? So they negative are not cycling. So the answer is they aren't cycling. Okay, next one. I interested in watching movies. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. It looks like he's interested. So I positive. No, affirmative. I am. I'm interested in watching movies. What about this one? Look at the subject. Cats. Okay, which one will be the pronouns for cats? It or they? It's they. Why? Because cats here come with S. Means there are more than one cat. So, do you agree that cats are animals? Okay, so it's affirmative. They are animals. So the answer is cats are animals. Exercise time. You have to write down all the questions in your green book, in your writing book. If you have any problem answering the questions, you can ask your teacher. And that's all from us. Make sure you complete all the tasks in time. That's all from us. Thank you.